that you'll need to do to make a sidecar is to garnish your coupe glass. Today, what I did was I had my glass in the freezer, and then when I took it out, it had enough residue on it that the sugar sticks. So as you can kind of see here in the frame, you can also receive the same result by using a wedge of lemon on the rim of your glass and then coating it with white sugar. And then as we drink with our eyes first, I would suggest that you clean up the little bits and pieces here just to make it all even, just so that you have a more pleasing looking drink. Okay, so set that aside for now. And the first thing I'm going to do is juice my lemon. This drink, it calls for 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice, so I'm just going to squeeze that into my jigger here. There's the perfect amount, so I've got 20 mils there. And then next you'll need is a full ounce of Cointreau. And then you'll need 45 mils of your choice of French brandy or cognac. Today I'm using Hennessy, VOSP. I'll be using one big ice block to create the perfect amount of dilution and chill factor. Adding it straight into my Boston shaker I have today, which is 2 parts, and give that a good shake for about 10 to 12 seconds. At the moment I'm letting the ice temper so it doesn't shatter on me and create ice shards. Alright, let's give it a quick shake. It's nice and chilled. Double strain that into my coupe glass. I feel like you can use a Nick and Nora glass, but I don't have one today. And there's always going to be some remaining parts in your second part of the shaker, so make sure to look out for that. And I'm going to be garnishing this with an orange peel. You can discard it if you like. Some recipes don't even call for an orange peel twist, but my biggest pet peeve is cocktails without aroma. And you can smell the cognac there, but I just love to have a little orange zest. So what I'm going to be doing is just expressing those oils just slightly on top and on the rim and sides of the glass, just so that it has a beautiful aroma and it brings out the Cointreau as well really nicely. Alright, so that is the sidecar. Now let's taste. Alright, first things first, aroma. Very nice and bright, citrusy. I'm gonna taste it without the sugar first. It's very complex. Obviously this is going to depend on the cognac you use, how long it's been aged for, what kind of variety it is. But the Hennessy is very woody, it's sweet, it's got some clove notes to it. And then it's really lovely and balanced out with the Cointreau and the lemon juice. I think that's a really lovely combination. Let's see it with the sugar rim. So the sugar actually really brings out the bright citrus notes of the drink. So I would probably like maybe a quarter ounce, 7.5 mils of sugar in this, just to bring out the bright notes of the Cointreau, to bring out the bright notes of the Cointreau. I think that'd be really lovely. It's still a really lovely balanced drink. It's bright, refreshing. Cheers.